guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. To my old and new subscribers, thank you guys so much for your love and support. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig tutorial and I'm using a straight hair. So the hair that I'll be using for today's tutorial was sent to me by NABEAUTYHAIR.com. So they sent me 222 inches, 120 inches and 18-inch closure. So the hair came really straight like this, but after installing it as a wig, I went ahead and washed it, deconditioned it, and I totally forgot the conditioner on the hair from morning till evening. I deconditioned it in the morning, left it in a bucket, and when I went to the bathroom to take my shower in the night, that was when I realized that the hair was still there. That was when I actually washed out the conditioner, which is not bad. Like, leaving conditioner on your hair for that long is really not bad at all. So after washing out the conditioner, I allowed the hair to air dry, and then the texture changed from straight to wavy, which is normal with straight hair. And then I went ahead and straightened out the hair. What I didn't like about this hair is the closure. I noticed flyaways. But after straightening the hair, I applied argan oil and everything is in place. I do have a 10% discount code for you guys if you want to order hair on their website. I'm going to leave the discount code, a direct link to this hair and to their store in my description box below. So if you're interested in buying any hair on their website, do check out my description box for more details. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you taught me a renegade. Oh, wow. Through all my lows, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. Oh, oh, but I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. Then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Oh, throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love.
But I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love. When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, greatest, ever like, ever like, ever like, greatest, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, greatest, ever like, ever like, ever like,
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay, I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, I will stay. Because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.